Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be doing a double unboxing of my Young Living Subscribe to Save orders for October and November. I've gotten a little behind on these, but better late than never. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living, it's an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil-infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have products designed for men, women, children, babies, and even your pets. They have supplements and nutritional items, and all these things are designed to help promote your health and wellness. So each month I go in and I change the items in my cart for my subscribe to save order for the things that my family needs. And usually it's a combination of essential oils, personal care products, and household cleaning products. So because these orders are from October and November, I don't exactly remember what should be in these boxes and the bag on top. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the October order first. And so the October order is the one that is actually in the box. So I'm gonna take out the packing slip. Okay, it looks like I've got some personal care products, some supplements, and a couple of essential oils in this box. And I do know that one of the items is not in this box because my husband needed his Shutran Beard Oil and he was running low, so I told him to go ahead and open the box and get that out. So the first item should be that Shutran Beard Oil. He loves that beard oil, but let me go ahead and tell you what's in that. It has the Shutran Essential Oil blend in it, so it smells really nice and manly and things like that. They have a whole Shutran line of products for men, including men's body wash, aftershave lotion, a bar soap, the beard oil, a shave cream, and they're just really nice smelling products that all have that Shutran Essential Oil. So the Shutran Essential Oil, it says an empowering essential oil blend specifically formulated for men to boost feelings of masculinity and confidence. Shutran is perfect for use as a cologne that appeals to both men and women. And so the ingredients in that essential oil that's in the beard oil are Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and northern lights black spruce. So it just smells really nice, and he loves the way that it makes his beard feel. So for the actual beard oil, it says Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran Essential Oil blend, specifically crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And like I said, he loves it. So he had ran out of it, so I told him to go ahead and get it out. All right, the next item that I have is also an item for my husband. It is the CinnaFresh Deodorant. And it says infused with clove and cinnamon essential oils. It's aluminum free and paraben free. So he has a lot of difficulty with the regular deodorants from the grocery store, like kind of breaking him out. So we've been trying to use this one to help kind of take care of that. So it says CinnaFresh Deodorant combines the spicy aromas of clove and cinnamon essential oils formulated with baking soda and skin conditioning plant extracts. It neutralizes odors to keep you feeling fresh all day. And so he's been using that. Now, normally he likes the Mountain Mint deodorant, but they've been out of stock on that one. So he recently started trying this one and he likes it. I think he prefers the Mountain Mint scent a little bit better, but he's been using this one lately. And then next I have the big tube, which usually means supplements. And so this is my normal monthly inner defense supplement that I get. And this is an essential oil supplement that is used to support your immune system. So it says immune system support formulated with Thieves. And if you know anything about Thieves, it's one of Young Living's popular essential oil blends that is used to support your respiratory system and your immune system. So this one actually has what they call the Inner Defense Super Blend. Let's see if I can see that, which combines oregano, thyme, lemongrass, along with the Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is clove, cinnamon bark, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. If you watch any of my videos, you know I'm a school teacher, and so I take the Inner Defense supplement. I just take one each night to help support my immune system because of everything going on. I'm trying to keep myself and my family above the wellness line, and so this is one way that I do that for myself. And then I have a small tube, and the small tubes are usually essential oils, and these are going to be some of my staples that it kind of goes along with that immune system and respiratory system theme. So the first one is that Thieves Essential Oil blend that I just talked about. All right, so I'm going to read to you what it says about Thieves. It says, Thieves Essential Oil blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol. And like I mentioned earlier, the ingredients are clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. And so this is one that I like to diffuse all year round, but it really smells like Christmas in a bottle. And so it's a great one for the fall and the winter months, especially when you need that extra immune and respiratory support. And then the second essential oil goes along with that one. So I like to use Raven Essential Oil blend along with Thieves. So Raven is really good for supporting the respiratory system. So let me read to you what it says about Raven. All right, so Raven Essential Oil blend is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and the throat. And so this is a good one if you want to add it to some coconut oil to rub on the chest and the neck and the back when you need that extra respiratory support. The ingredients are Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And so this one is another must-have for my family during this time of year. I diffuse equal parts of Thieves and Raven every single night in our diffuser to help support our health and wellness. So these two are great. And so that is my October order. So like I said, I had the Shutran Beard Oil, the CinnaFresh Deodorant, the Inner Defense, the Thieves, and the Raven Essential Oil blends. Now we're going to get into my November order, which is in the bag. And so here is the bag. Sometimes they use boxes and sometimes they use bags. They're about the same size order, so I'm not sure what makes them choose a bag or a box. So first off is the supplement container. And I know it's going to be Inner Defense. It's a good thing that it's Inner Defense because I did run out of this supplement, and so I desperately need to be taking this again. So again, I have that Inner Defense supplement, and then I have a tube here, and the first thing that's coming out is lavender. Lavender essential oil is a single, whereas these two are blends and they're a combination of lots of essential oils. Lavender is a single, so there's only lavender in here. I would say that lavender is probably my favorite essential oil single that Young Living has. I like to wear this as a perfume, so I actually put like 20 drops of this in a small glass bottle and then add water to it, and then I'll spritz myself with it. And then I do have one where I have a roller top on it, and I'll rub it like on my wrist or my neck as a perfume. So I just love the way it smells. Lavender is known to be relaxing and calming. Let me read to you what it says about lavender. And a little bit goes a long way with it. So when I put the 20 drops of lavender in the spray bottle, that spray bottle lasts for quite a while. So lavender, it says, lavender is a popular essential oil, long loved for its calming, soothing fragrance. When diffused, lavender adds a clean and fresh scent to any room. It is also a relaxing addition to body care products and baths. When I diffuse lavender, I like to add cedar wood to it. I'll put that in my diffuser on nights when I need a little extra support with my sleep, and it really does help me get a good night's sleep. Next in the tube, gotta have the Thieves again. So each month I pretty much add Thieves or Raven or both of them to my subscribe to save order because I don't want to go without this. I just love the smell of it, and I love how it supports my family's health and wellness. And then we have another one. Ooh, peppermint, so another single. So peppermint, just like lavender, is another essential oil single, so there's nothing but peppermint in here. And let me read to you what it says about peppermint. I know you all know what peppermint smells like, and it just smells so nice in the diffuser. A lot of people like to add peppermint to lavender and lemon in their diffusers to help during seasonal transitions, to help with that. So peppermint, it says peppermint can be used topically to cool the skin or diffuse for a scent that invites feelings of peace. Now in the wintertime, I love to add peppermint and rosemary together or add peppermint to some of the tree essential oils. It just smells really nice. It's another good one for the holidays. It does have that really nice cooling sensation, so sometimes when I have a little tension, I might put a little drop here or here. You got to be careful though, because some people are very sensitive to it. It doesn't seem to bother me. It's a good one to put on the back of your neck to help just kind of cool you down or to relax you. And so I have another tube. Let me take the slip out. Let me take a peek. Okay. And so the last thing is that last small tube, and I know what it is. If I can get it out. All right, the last thing is that Shutran Beard Oil. And like I said earlier, my husband took the one out from my October order. I have been putting one of these on my monthly order, so he'll have that so he doesn't run out of it anymore. So he loves that. And so as you can see, my orders are basically just some staples that I use on an everyday basis. I do think starting in January, I'm going to try to add a new item to my subscribe to save order, just to kind of continue to branch out and try some different things. I love Young Living products. I love how they support my family's health and wellness. You know that they're clean products, they're natural. The household cleaning products are great because they're safe and non-toxic for, you can let your kids clean, or you can use it to clean your floors and things like that, and it's not going to affect your pets or anything like that. So I am going to leave my membership number in the description box below. If you're interested in trying out some Young Living products, you can click on that link and put in my membership number, and that should help you to try some of these items. But if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.